Here are top 4 blogging niches that can make you real passive money. These top 4 blogging niches that help people to make a lot of money. Although there's a lot of competition in these niches, but yet you can make a lot of money. So number 1 is make money online. People interested in working from home is always growing, and this trend has increased a lot in past few years, and it is going to increase in coming years. So this niche is very wide and you can make a lot of money. Number 2, fitness and weight loss. People will always want to look and feel healthier, and this niche is not going to out of fashion anytime soon, and it is going to be grow in next coming year. Number 3, relationship. This makes a huge part about life, and while we go through challenges, chaotic times, people have more difficult situation at home as well. So this niche is also going to be low in coming years. Number 4, pet. Many people spend more on their pets than they do on themselves. So this niche is also growing and growing in coming years. So if you want to make money from these niches, these 4 niches are really attractive to make a lot of money. If you like the video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.